Are you famous? Alright, how about some animal sounds? Can you do a red wolf? How about an owl? The pretty songbirds? How about a rooster? Can you do a horse? Good. Can you fall down? Did that hurt? Can you do a cat? How about a dog? Can you bark? Fly on the spaceship? And shoot the lasers? Can you do water? How about a knock at the door? Can you help me start the car? Einstein, can you help me call the dogs?
Come here, come here, come here.
Good. What do you say it's time to go?
Bye.
All of the tricks that Shimmer knows. Also, I'm extremely lazy when it comes to trick training, so he only knows like 3. Spin. Good bird. We got a jealous little bird right here. Shimmer, can you do a dance? No, not spin, do a dance. Yay, good bird. Shimmer, hello. Good bird. Is that a yummy snack?
Dude, how do you feel?
I'll let him introduce himself. Can you say your name? Sorry, Bird. First and last, he is very polite. Now, he's heard a lot of weird noises here at the zoo. We tried to see if he'd do any animal noises, but all he got was this. Are you a fox? Yeah, he thinks very highly of himself. He likes to dance? Yeah, that's pretty fun. Wait, is that fun? Yeah, it is. And he also likes to tell tall tales. He told us about this one time he went to outer space. Whoa, that's pretty crazy. Well, while you were up there, did you fire the laser? Yeah, that's pretty fun. Well, if you're all the way in space, how did you get back down? Did you fall? Silly bird, you know you have wings, you can fly. Alright, well let's do our last one of my personal favorites. If it's anybody's birthday today, Zuri has a special message. Happy birthday. Happy birthday. Alright, let's wave goodbye. Can you wave? Wave? There we go.
I tell everyone that my personality has 2 speeds. One is -5. And the other one is about 210.
Alright, new challenge. Put your hand near your dog like you're going to pet them, but don't pet them yet and see what they do.
And a cat. How about a dog? Coyote. Good job.
Little brush, huh, baby? Okay, baby. Okay, baby. That's right, baby. Pickle baby. I know, my love. Yes, you're my baby.
I see you. I see you. You're not that sneaky.
Yeah.
I think I can hear someone in my shower. I think I can... Is it you? Are you having a shower all by yourself? Why didn't you tell me?
I didn't mean to. I'm sorry.
I'm sorry.
Well, I'll try. And that's why.
Quack, quack.
Polly want a cracker? Quack, quack. I didn't realize I had a duck. I thought you were a macaw. And you look. Oh, look. That's from you. Oh. So you're a duck now? No? Okay, good. Sammy, what did you do? The police are coming for you. Can you be a monster? That's not a monster. Can you show me your wings? Oh, you're pretty. Can you wave? Can you spin? Can you spin? Can you say hi? Oh, it's a pet. Oh, I'm sorry. Come here. Stop. Spin.
Think about where parrots come from. It probably rains either every day or close to every day. My parrots get a shower every day, right after lunch, and they let me know if I'm late. They have different perches, there's 3 of them here, all at different heights. The water is on mist with a double shower head, hitting the wall behind them, never directly on them, and it's lukewarm with the door cracked and they are supervised. This is important.
No, you're too far. Thank you. Yeah.
You stop it. Ow. Rude. Guys, I think there's a dinosaur in my bathroom. Oh, it's the sock. Hi, baby. Step up. Hello. Pretty girl. You're my big old dinosaur, huh? Eh?
There's been a lot of comments on one of my last videos about how your pets have been reacting to the coyote call. So I'm going to do it again. You guys post how your pets react.
Just so you guys know, if you want a bird but you also have a dog, you have to be super careful because a dog could easily harm a bird, whether they mean to or not. So here's your ideal situation. Bird at the top of the pecking order, 70-pound dog terrified of bird.
Hey, Sprite, no, give me the pen. Sprite, no, give it. I have to get up. Sprite, give me the pen. No, give me the pen. Sprite, give me the pen. Give me the pen. Give it. No.
Jeez.
What? Are you ready for night-night? Are you ready for night-night? What? Are you ready for rock-a-baby? Come here. Rock-a-baby.
Come here, Kimmy. Keeps biting me. Her my foot. Ow! What are you doing? You're not a pigeon. Get off the floor.
She don't talk.
What are you doing? Socrates. Is that your daddy? Baby, lift your arm up. Oh my god, you guys.
Good baby.
Alright, so everyone's been asking for this, so we are at the pet store and I'm going to let Socrates choose a toy. Let's see how that goes. I don't have a whole lot to choose from, so let's see. Let's see if maybe she'll like this or this. Which one? Which one do you want? No? Are you not gonna pick? You're not gonna pick for me? No? Alright, well she didn't really pick, but we're just gonna go with this, because... Socrates, what do you think? No? Okay.
It's time for bed. Tomorrow is another day.
Did you manage to get yourself in a bit of a pickle there, Sock? Well, do you want some assistance? Come in. You're so silly. Alright, last but definitely not least is Max. He is my blue-fronted Amazon. And okay, you're just gonna take a spotlight. But anyways, unfortunately, when he was brought into the rescue, his previous owner fed him nothing but bread and peanuts and sunflower seeds. So that's why you'll notice, not on that cheek, but yeah, you'll notice the lumps. Unfortunately, he does have fatty tumors. Vet has already checked him out. They don't cause him any issues. It would be more problematic to have them removed because birds are so sensitive when it comes to being under in surgery. I'm not gonna risk him dying in surgery just to remove fatty tumors, which don't cause any issues. But actually, Max, I adopted him a few days after Brian, my yellow name, died, and he's gonna be right there. He made it a lot easier, sorry, for me to get through that. And I love him to bits, and he's a very good boy.
Airing out your pits.
You airing out your pits? You airing them out? You gonna walk her? In case she goes fast.
Maya, can you say hi?
All right, birds. Everybody in? That choo-choo tango. Come on, let's go. You guys too. Come on. Everybody in? Come on. Good girl. Yay!
La cucaracha, la cucaracha, la cucaracha.
Stop pinching. Stop. What do you want? Yeah, you come here. Ooh. Stop. Yeah, step up.